less compromised than its front-drive rivals, but in normal driving, you wouldn't say it was leagues ahead, even in this, the most powerful 2-litre diesel with optional sport suspension.
I'm not knocking the 1 Series, far from it. I'm building it up. The thing that makes this car great is the way everything works together. The seating position is perfect, the pedals are nicely weighted, the gear shift is slick and precise. Likewise, as is the steering when you're on the move, albeit it is a little bit heavy when you're trying to park the car in town.
I'm also a big fan of the interior, which, true to Bavarian form, is focused around the driver. Everything is very tactile, very simple, and as you'd expect, it all feels very well built. I also like how BMW have made their hatchback look a little unconventional, with its plethora of sharp creases, scoops, angles, and short overhangs. But it's not all good news.
Now, there is a problem with it being rear-wheel drive. The transmission tunnel and the rear drivetrain take up valuable space in the rear, and legroom, well, to say the least, is very cramped. Also, the boot is a little bit on the small side.
Small or not, you still have to pay for the privilege of BMW ownership. This 2-litre diesel sport model you see here he's sitting down, £21,000, and even if you go for the cheapest version, the 1.6 petrol, you'll still have to find over 15.5 grand, and for that the misers won't give you air conditioning or even alloy wheels. Now let's remember, for that kind of cash you could take your pick from a wide range of lavishly equipped rivals. But no matter how expensive, poorly equipped or slightly impractical it is, the 1 Series has something the likes of Focus, Astra and Megane can't match. That's BMW's premium image.